Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make double chocolate banana bread. Double chocolate banana bread. We'll need banana, cocoa powder, chocolates, egg, flour, sugar, brown sugar. Just mention it, okay? Like, subscribe, share, comment, do everything to help me edit this video, and also turn on your post notifications so whenever I post a new video you are carried, okay? You get notified that, oh, she has made a new upload. All right, guys.
So I'm baking for my family, and it's just a small banana bread I'm doing. I'm going to be using 4 bananas, that's like 400 grams of banana, and then 2 eggs. Then I'm going to be using my sugar and also my brown sugar. I don't like to use too much sugar. People usually say your sugar should be like half of your banana or your flour, but I really don't like using too much sugar because banana on its own is very sweet, especially if you are using extremely ripe banana. Yeah, so you just need little sugar. Then I'm also gonna put my butter. Then I put it in the microwave so that it just becomes light, like running. And then I put my butter inside. I'm also going to be using my Greek yogurt. So I'm gonna measure my Greek yogurt and add it to my mixture. Then I start to sieve my dried ingredients. I sieve my cocoa powder, and then I'll also sieve my flour. And I'm just going to add everything to the bowl all at once. Like I'm just putting everything. Yes. And then I stir gradually. I'm stirring gradually because I do not want it to be too overworked. I don't want to overwork my dough, my batter rather. So I just stir gradually. Some people say stir in one direction, but actually you can stir in any direction you want. Then I'm going to put my chocolate, because yeah, it's double chocolate banana bread, so we need chocolates. Put as much chocolate as you want to put, and then put your baking powder and baking soda. Don't put too much, just like 1 teaspoon is okay. In fact, half teaspoon is okay. And then you start to prep your pan, and to prep your pan you use butter or you use oil, margarine, anyone, and just like coat it round. This is a little bit too much, yeah, you just reduce it a bit. And then you can also put flour to just dust around the pan after coating it with butter, but I didn't do that. I just coated with butter, and then I went ahead to put in my batter. You guys, this banana bread was so nice. It was amazing. And then you decorate it if you want with any topping of your choice. People even use Lotus biscuits as their choice of anything. You can use Oreo biscuits. You can make it nutty if you like nuts. Like right now I'm trying to make my nutty, so I'm putting coconuts flakes, I'm putting chocolates on it, I'm putting almond, I'm putting cashew nuts and the rest. I'm just making it nutty kind of, you get. So anything you want to use on yours, you can use it. There's no wrong, there's no right, you can do any decoration you want. And if you also just want it plain, you can also do it plain, you get. So with mine, I'm just decorating it. So this is my chocolates. Putting chocolate on it, and then putting nuts, and then I put banana, to dried banana on it also. So guys, this is how it came out. This is like so amazing, you guys. This is so amazing. All right, guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and everything will be on the description.